Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today we're going to be doing RPM review. What is RPM? A rapid profit machine review by James. This is going to be very, very interesting for you guys. Why? Because it is a system that I have on the back end. I don't do promotion on the front end. I do the promotion on the back end, but there's a specific reason why I have this system in place. It is completely related to affiliate marketing skills. It can teach you it completely for free. If you do want to sign up, I'm going to leave a link to Rapid Profit or RPM in the description of this video. So you can join there completely for free. And it's just a review that I wanted to do because I know a lot of people are using it. James is a brilliant affiliate marketer. I've seen him all over the place and all top leaders. And I really wanted to do a review because it is been beneficial even for me. So I'm going to share with you guys in a little bit how it looks. Okay guys, so before I jump into the review in itself, I wanted to share with you my strategy. So you guys know that I use a funded proposal to get cash flow. The moment I have cash flow, I use that cash flow then to buy paid traffic to then build my email list up and do my affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, I see this as phase one, and in phase one there are two steps, and these are the two steps that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, this is my whole structure. This is all that I'm doing. In fact, every Friday I usually share this, so that's why I want to talk about it. And it took me about, let's say, to get cash flow. When I started with affiliate marketing, guys, a lot of people will talk about free methods. Now, with free methods, you do need to have time in order for you to put out those TikToks every day, or YouTube Reels, YouTube Shorts every day, or Facebook Reels every day, or Instagram Reels every day. You need to be consistent in any kind of marketing that you're doing. If you're not consistent in any marketing that you're doing, you're not going to get results. That's just it. Now, free marketing is quite amazing to have and it's quite useful to have. However, personally, because I do have a day job, because I do work a 9 to 5, I don't have the time to sit and actually do the free itself. So I do a bit of free marketing, but it's very minimal. So you'll see videos on YouTube, as you can see this video right here. You can see YouTube Shorts, you can see TikToks and everything else, but I do it just when I have free time. I don't stress myself out. It's not my main purpose. My main purpose of getting leads and sales is this method right here. If I'm not using free traffic, I need to have a funded proposal. I need to have some kind of way to generate a cash flow so that I can pay for advertising every month, or I can put aside money from my job, which I don't want to do because I need to function in this manner. I need to make sure that it works really well and I can use, but if you're living paycheck to paycheck, most probably you don't have the money from your job to be able to generate these. So I put a portion of it. So the minimum amount, which I use $30 basically with my Legion Secrets, to start to send to an offer, generate sales, and then I just use that. So I'm not spending more than $30 to $35 every single month. That goes from my pocket, but the rest is all coming from profits. So I'm able to generate leads and traffic and everything else from the profits, and the traffic goes to a landing page. So it basically goes, let me show you guys. It goes to this page right here, which, by the way, you guys, you'll find it in the link in the description of this video. It should be the second link in the description. The first one will be to the RPM because this is RPM review. I collect an email address, and then from the email address, it goes to the whole sales process. So I just wanted to show you that this is my setup. This is the way I've done things. Now, when I collect an email, how do I promote RPM in this process? When I collect an email right here, it goes through an email campaign. In my email campaign, I have my primary offer, and then I have other offers. If people don't like my primary offer and they want to have a free offer like RPM, they can have a free offer like RPM if they want to have something else. So I have this on the back end. And secondly, I use RPM traffic. I actually buy traffic from the same sellers within the Rapid Profit machine, which they're sharing. And this is what I do. I do it on Warrior Plus. I keep buying traffic from them and start to generate leads to my own affiliate marketing offers. So this is why I use them, and this is why I share them and I talk about them, because it is working for me. And there's traffic that converts, there's paid traffic that actually converts, and good high quality from the RPM itself. So let me go ahead and share with you. The RPM, guys, is an offer in Warrior Plus. If you don't know what Warrior Plus is basically an affiliate marketing network that you can find different offers. And RPM is one of the offers that you have in, it's basically hosted on Warrior Plus. Now it is by James Taylor Neville, if I'm correctly saying that. Let me just check because sometimes I'm not sure. Well, it's from James, as you can see right here. And this offer has been available for, I think, a year and a half, 2 years, maybe even more than that. I'm not sure. He's in the top 5% vendors He's an elite vendor with the RPM, and he's in the top 10% affiliates also. So he's got quite a few badges that is in his name. Sold over 50,000 sales itself, and it's just got a really good conversion rate, about 75% conversion rate, as you can see right here. It has, what does the contents of the RPM have? It has software, it has membership, it has media files, it's a service, it's a lot of education, affiliate marketing education, traffic education, and so on and so forth. Everything, all of this is included in the RPM. And if you can see, it has over 83 actually products that you can earn. And first and foremost, it's a free system. So there is potential for you to earn a lot of money with the RPM alone itself. And in fact, on Facebook, when you join the Facebook group, as you can see right here, let me just show you. In the Facebook group, you'll see results after results of people just earning. So this was the weekly wealth workshop that they had yesterday. But then you can see sales, small sales when you just get started, right? To bigger sales that you will find all in this group right here. So you can find a lot of testimonials, a lot of sales. You can see right here, sharing with you. It just keeps getting better and better. So James Neville Taylor is really a phenomenal affiliate. He's got 30,000 people in this group, guys. This is a massive group that's there. This is a massive funnel. And what you do when you get access, when you click on that link below, it will basically take you to this page right here. Let me show you. Okay, so when you click on the link below, it will take you to this page, and you can create a completely free account here. This is a 7-figure earner who's showing you, and you can get the RPM completely for free. So once you do get it, you will basically create an account here. You add in it's all step by step, as you can see right here. It's a whole system that is given to you. And then you add your affiliate info. That's the next step. So you put your Warrior Plus ID right here. Then you can put the done for you automation setup. So how that happens is through Builderall. I personally do not use Builderall, so I don't have that here. So whoever goes through my link and gets Builderall will go to whoever I got this from, which is quite fine with me, or directly to James himself. I'm not sure how it works, but Builderall is something that you can get. I don't get it because personally I use another tool called System.io, and I already had that tool before, so it didn't make sense for me to buy Builderall, which does the exact same thing. So yeah, Builderall is here for another affiliate section. And then third, you get the fresh buyers. Now, how do you get the fresh buyers? You can see right here, there is traffic that's there. So this free system includes everything from you buying traffic, like traffic sources, to also just showing you the whole step-by-step. And then what are your next steps? And basically here, he takes you through the next steps, which is you have the hub right here. You have all your training, your members, you can see your funnels, you can see. So for example, let me just click on funnels. You'll see that he gives you the funnels itself. I've been using this page right here, but you can use the funnels itself that are there. And you can see that there are other trainings itself. So if you go to trainings, this is the beauty of it. It's really quite cool. It has all the done for you trainings and initial trainings. As a new affiliate marketer, it's very important that you have this support. And the RPM, or the Rapid Profit Machine, in my opinion, is giving you guys this done for you setup, but more than anything else, is giving you the training that's available as well. I don't know why it's taking some time to go there, but anyway. And then they do have, and this is something I do have to mention, they do have this product right here, which is called MAB, or Massive Affiliate Blueprints. Now, if you really want to take advantage of the Rapid Profit Machine, then the MAB right here, and this is, you can see the training is also available right now. You can't you have to unlock it, and for you to unlock it, it'll take you to the products itself, right? So to unlock the full RPM potential, these are all the traffic sources. These are all different things, but unlock MAB is what I'm talking about. Now, if you go to unlock MAB, what it does is it takes you to the MAB itself, the sales page. MAB, just to give you in a nutshell what it is, it's a complete system and high ticket sales that you can earn, but not, it has amazing technology that's cookie to you. It has PDFs that changes your links. It shows you how to generate consistent traffic sources, and so on and so forth, everything in the MAB. But the best part about it is that if you join MAB and you sell it, you're getting about 75% or 70%, 75% commissions on that high ticket offer. So right now, at the current moment of when I'm shooting this video, this price is going to go up. MAB is amazing, guys. But if you do get MAB, the commission that you get, it's a $1,000 offer right now, but the price is going up because of the amount of value that's there. So this is one of the things that I personally see. Maybe the other things are also interesting, but maybe for me personally is something that I was just like in awe when I looked at it. So if you're interested in, you might follow this exact same process. Okay, so have a landing page, a bridge page, an offer that you own. With RPM, you're getting all of these three things. You're getting a landing page, you're getting a bridge page, you're getting offers, multiple offers that you get, which you can basically get commissions on. And just to show you all of these products, guys, so the traffic itself, if somebody buys traffic through your link, so if you share this funnel with other people and then they click on traffic here and they go and they buy traffic, you get 10% of that purchase. They are buying traffic to get sales. You're earning from their traffic purchase. This is the beauty of it. Okay, you're getting 10% of it. But besides the 10%, otherwise it's about 50% commissions on the entire funnel. The 10% is just for the traffic, but otherwise it's more or less 50% on everything in the funnel. So for example, if you just have the massive affiliate blueprints, for example, if they go to the full payment, right, of $997, you get 25% of that. Sorry, that's 25%. Goes from 25% to 75%. That's the difference. You will get 250. But if you buy the product itself, you get $700 commissions from that sale. That's how amazing it is. Or you can get recurring payments and so on and so forth. He's even planned for the future. So there are going to be more offers and more products that are available, which will come out and have those commissions available right here. So I personally think that he's done a phenomenal job. If you take so much work and effort, this is not something that's there now. This is something that's going to be there for a long time. And the Facebook group gives you weekly wealth workshops where you can learn on a weekly basis what exactly to do and how to get the success you need. So the support is there. The products are there. The traffic converts. I personally buy this traffic for my own funnels, guys. I actually go here and buy this traffic from my own funnels. And it has a completely done for you setup for high ticket commissions. I've seen a lot of people be on the top with this offer. And in fact, if you just go to offers, just to show you, you will see that in the offers, usually in the third place, contest firstly, in the third place, you'll see RPM conversions monthly contest is here. Why do I need to? I already got the link, right? So you can see it's a third offer in ranking. This is just an offer that converts, guys, and it does have recurring payments. So it's quite a good offer to have. And you can see that the refund rate is also 0. Why not get something like this? So this is just my review, honest review. It is not gonna get you income overnight. Definitely not. But it is teaching you affiliate marketing skill sets. It does have challenges that are available. So you'll see contests and prizes. Short form video challenge, for example. They have the short form video challenge, which you can go through. And he's teaching you literally how to do it. TikTok training. Go through everything. And how to start to generate these clicks on a weekly basis. How beautiful is this? Really, how beautiful is this? You also get, and these are just examples of the challenge itself and what's going on and so on and so forth. But why not have a challenge available? Because short form content just converts at the moment in a phenomenal way. So if you want to do it free, if you want to do it paid, you have the options right here. You have a complete setup on your own. You can also build your own email list with the system and so on and so forth. It is, in my opinion, a good entry point for anybody who wants to get started with affiliate marketing. That's why I share it in my email follow-up series as an offer, as a free offer for anybody to get started. I'm enjoying the experience. I'm enjoying the positivity in the group itself. And if you're interested, as I mentioned below, I'll have 2 links in the description. One is to Rapid Profit Machine, and the second one will be to my funnel itself, which is not as robust as him. Please, Rapid Profit Machine is much better in terms of how it is. I'm taking you guys through the journey, but this has so much value. Think about it twice or 3 times before you actually join. But as I said, it's completely free, and you can get the training and get the traffic all over here on this one system. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you are interested in more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because on every single Friday, I talk about affiliate marketing, my journey, and what I'm including in my email follow-up series. So you will see other offers that I have there, but I just wanted to talk about it this time. Next week, most probably, I will give you guys an update on the monthly report of how things went for May. And you guys will see that in the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.